Obsid 革爆型永磁自泄式除铁器，适用于爆炸性气体的场所，配合输送带使用，除去混杂在非磁性物料中的磁性铁质。配套矿用革爆型电控柜使用，可实现连续不断的吸气铁，主要应用于各大煤炭企业煤矿井下或矿山、钢铁、化工、电力等其他易燃易爆行业场合或输煤系统中。全系列型号整机已取得国家安全生产抚顺矿用设备检测检验中心颁发的防爆合格证和安标国家矿用产品安全标志中心颁发的 MA 矿用产品安全标志证书。Obsid Explosion Proof Permanent Magnet Self Dumping Iron Remover Obsid Explosion Proof Permanent Magnet Self Dumping Iron Remover is suitable for places with explosive gases. It is used in conjunction with conveyor belts to remove magnetic iron mixed in non-magnetic materials. When used in conjunction with mining explosion-proof electrical control cabinets, it can achieve continuous suction and disposal of iron, mainly used in coal mines or other flammable and explosive industries such as mining, steel, chemical, electricity, or coal transportation systems in major coal enterprises. The entire series of models have obtained the explosion-proof certificate issued by the National Safety Production Fashion Mining Equipment Testing and Inspection Center and the MA Mining Product Safety Mark certificate issued by the National Mining Product Safety Mark Center.